Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon to all. I am Dr. Vejiha Banu, Assistant Professor, Department of Microbiology, Jamal Mohammed College, Trichy. Today we are going to discuss about bacteriological analysis of drinking water by Mpn method. Objectives: to enumerate the number of bacteria present in the drinking water by Mpn method. Then to identify the bacteria present in the drinking water sample. Introduction about Mpn technique. Most probable number, that is Mpn analysis is a statistical method based on the random dispersion of microorganisms per volume in a given sample. In this method, measured volume of water is added to a series of tubes containing a liquid indicator growth medium. The media receiving one or more indicator bacteria shows growth and characteristics color change. The color change is absent in those receiving an inoculum of water without indicator bacteria. From the number and distribution of positive and negative reactions, the Mpn indicator organisms in the sample may be estimated by reference to statistical tables. There are three steps in Mpn technique. First one, presumptive test, then confirmed test, then completed test. First we are going to see presumptive test. It is used for the detection and estimation of coliforms in water sample. For estimation of coliforms, lactose containing broth medium is used. Commonly used media is Mpn broth that contains the indicator of chromocresol purple. An inverted Durgam's tube is placed, then the color of media changes into yellow, and on collection of gases in the Durgam's tube, bacteria are assumed to be coliform. Number of positive tubes are counted and referred to the standard chart to find Mpn of total 100 ml water sample. Next, confirmed test. Some spore forming bacteria gives false positive test in presumptive test. Confirmed test is done to determine that the coliforms are of fecal origin or not, and they are E. coli or not. For this positive presumptive test are inoculated in selective media like EMP agar and incubated at 44.5 degrees Celsius and 37 degrees Celsius. Presence of typical colonies at 37 degrees Celsius confirms positive coliform test, and those at 44.5 degrees Celsius confirm the presence of E. coli. Then completed test. Subculture typical colonies of lactose containing medium and incubated at 37 degrees Celsius and 44.5 degrees Celsius. Presence of E. coli is confirmed by the production of gases at 44.5 degrees Celsius. Next, these are the requirements needed for the Mpn technique. First one, petri dishes, test tubes, sampling bottle, Mpn broth or lactose broth, EMP agar or nutrient agar, and Durgam's tube, test tube stand, and water sample. Next, procedure for presumptive test. First, we have to prepare the Mpn purple media of single and double strength in test tube with Durgam's tube and autoclave it. Then take 3 sets of test tubes containing 5 tubes in each set, one set with 10 ml of double strength and other containing 10 ml of single strength. Then using sterile pipettes, transfer 10 ml of water to each of double stranded broth tubes. Then transfer 1 ml of water sample to each of 5 tubes of one set of single stranded broth, and transfer 0.1 ml water to 5 tubes of the remaining last set of single set broth tubes. Then all the tubes were incubated at 37 degrees Celsius for 24 hours. After incubation, observe the gas production in Durgam's tube and color changes of the media. Then record the number of positive results from each set and compare with the standard chart to give presumptive coliform count per 100 ml water sample. Then for confirmed test, take the positive tube from the presumptive test and using eosine methylene blue in duplicate. Then incubate one plate at 37 degrees Celsius for 24 hours and another at 44.5 degrees Celsius for 24 hours. Then observe the typical colonies in the media, blue, black with green metallic sheen colonies of E. coli in EMP agar. Then complete a test. Inoculate a colony in a tube of lactose broth with Durgam's tube. Subculture the colonies on nutrient agar plate. This subculture is considered optional. Incubate the broth cultures at 37 degrees Celsius and 44.5 degrees Celsius and nutrient agar at 37 degrees Celsius. Examine for acid and gas production in lactose broth. The nutrient agar is used for gram staining and for in-week test. That's all. Thank you.